Okay, so in this step, we went ahead and brought in our rendered frames. These are our data sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went ahead and applied the append track or append clip, made sure we were starting at frame 1001. Okay, just like we did with the tracking markers removal. All right, and they both follow the same line. So let's go ahead and take a look at our append clip here. And let's start out by cropping it. Okay, cropping it. We only want the face. So let's go ahead and select our face here. All right, and we are actually going to animate this. Set key, go to the next frame, move it, move it, move it, move it. All right, so got ourselves an animated piece. Let's go ahead and reformat that fella. And then we want to remove. This time, we're just going to remove the alpha, which is the same result as what we did before by keeping just RGB. So we're going to do it a little differently, just to show you there are different ways to do the same thing. So let's go ahead and copy this setup and bring it over here, because what we want these to be exactly the same before it goes into our Copycat node. Copycat node. Okay, so got our ground truth. In other words, this is what our new reality wants to be, and this is where it's coming from. So it's inputting this node, and we want this to come out. So let's go ahead and save our cat file directory. So go to cat, oops, what's that? Patch and track, and create a folder called Copycat default. Now the reason why I'm going to call it default is because we're going to be making different iterations of this, and I want to compare it to the default that we have to see if it's better or worse. Okay, so we're not going to change anything. We're just going to leave it in default and go ahead and start training. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and create our inference. So in our next video, we're going to apply this to our footage. And you'll notice how it's not quite there. So what we're going to do is use these properties and learn about what they do so we can get a better solve. So stay with me, and I'll see you at the next video.